Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Disney World. I'm on the Skyliner, but I'm about to hop off because we're going to check out Disney World's newest resort, the Riviera. I'm actually coming from the Caribbean Beach Resort, and I was heading towards EPCOT, but the Riviera has a stop right here on the Skyliner, so I figured I'd get off and take a look around and bring you guys with me. Now, like I said, the Riviera is a pretty much new resort here at Disney World, and it's kind of on the same scale. It's upscale. It's kind of on the same scale as the Grand Floridian. Maybe not as nice as the Grand Floridian, but it's up there. It's also very expensive to stay here, just like the Grand Floridian. But we'll take a walk around the grounds and check out what it looks like inside, and as you can see, as always, you get what you pay for. As we enter the Riviera Resort from the Skyliner entrance, we come across this fountain and two beautiful mosaics. You can't really appreciate them with my camera, but close up, these are really detailed works of art. When the Riviera first opened up, a lot of people were comparing it to the Grand Floridian, and what I can tell you is I've been to the Grand Floridian. There is a video on the New York channel. Check it out. It's a beautiful resort. The Grand Floridian seems to be more Americana, old-school American resort, whereas the Riviera is more European. So what do you say? Let's walk around the grounds a little bit, maybe head inside, check out what's going on in there, and then come back out and check out the pool area. Let's check this place out. According to the website, enchantment awaits you at a resort hotel that's inspired by Europe and imagined by Disney. Here you can delight in exhilarating activities, delectable dining, and stylish accommodations, from cozy tower studios to spacious villas with up to 3 bedrooms. Upon arrival, you'll be welcomed home by a palm tree-lined boulevard and the striking facade of this resort hotel. From the grand archways and porticos to the tower and terraces, Disney's Riviera Resort is a modern masterpiece of imagination, with each detail drawing upon the influences of Europe and the Mediterranean. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. And a shout out to our buddy Wise Malik, who found Donald Duck in the latest Disney video earlier this week of the Liberty Bell, the steamship Liberty Bell at the Magic Kingdom. Good eye, Wise Malik. By the way, for those of you concerned, the heavy breathing was an added effect. Thank you for your concern, though. Ooh la latte! This is the Petite Cafe, where you can slip away to the stylish patisserie for a favorite morning beverage or a relaxing cocktail at the end of the day. The exquisite oven-fresh treats are a perfect accompaniment to the satisfying specialty coffee drinks, and in the afternoon or evening, stop in for cocktails, beer or wine, paired with a selection of savory bites. And here we have Le Boutique, which is French for, well, the boutique, or as we say in the New York area, the store. Did you know Pandora has a line of exclusive Disney products? Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Elegance awaits you inside the Riviera. The main lobby is appointed with a mix of modern and classic 20th century furnishings. You'll also discover a unique art collection celebrating beloved Disney characters and icons influenced by master artists who found inspiration along the European Riviera. This library is pretty cool. It's right next door to the Petite Cafe, and you can grab a coffee and a Danish, or a cup of coffee, or maybe a cocktail. All these books are real. They're not here for decoration, and feel free to grab one or one of those many board games they have here as well and enjoy yourself. Coming up straight ahead is a painting of the Cinderella Castle, which is pretty much at home here in Disney World. It's a nice painting, but it's at home here, not so much at the Metropolitan Museum of Art back in New York. I took the elevators to the 10th floor to check out Tupolino's Terrace, which is a very nice restaurant here at the Riviera. Unfortunately, I was met with closed doors, so it was a fun ride on the elevator, but didn't get very far. But hey, everyone comes to Disney for a good ride, right? And as we head back outside, you can see the ambiance extends outdoors, where beautiful gardens, bubbling fountains, lush landscaping, and a serene waterfront beckon you to enjoy scenic strolls with your loved ones. Or, well, you and your video camera if you're a vlogger. Coming up here is Bar Riva, where you can enjoy the view at this open-air pool bar while sipping on frozen cocktails, Provence rosé, or a refreshing spritzer. When hunger strikes, chef-crafted sandwiches and fresh salads are also available here. Some of the hot and cold handhelds include a spicy Italian sandwich, a bacon cheddar burger, or a grilled chicken sandwich. Some of the bar favorites include confit chicken wings, grilled vegetable skewer, or baked brie in a puff pastry. Sweet dreams are made of cheese. Who am I to disagree? And as with pretty much every other resort at Disney World, the Riviera has a running trail. And that's pretty much it for the Riviera Resort here at Disney World. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. Personally, I'd probably choose the Grand Floridian over the Riviera, but They're equally as nice, it's just a matter of personal preference. I'm heading back onto the Skyliner now, gonna head over to EPCOT to do some more videos over there. Stay tuned, lots more videos coming from Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.